Thank you so much for buying the Solar Bug STEM project from EngineeringWonder.show. I know you're going to have a lot of fun building and playing with it. Let's get into the instructions. There are 4 basic steps to assembling your bug. Color it, cut it, build the circuit, and assemble the bug, and then have some fun with it. Inside the package, you'll find a card with a QR code that'll take you to all our social media, including our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And for more cool STEM projects and magic tricks, check out store.engineeringwonder.show. And then you have the Solar Bug Quick Guide that has all the steps on how to build your solar bug if you're not watching this video. Then you have the card with your bug bodies. You have the choice of a stag beetle or a ladybug. Before you start building, make sure you have all the parts. If for some reason you don't have all the parts, please contact us immediately and we'll get you out the parts you need. Inside your kit, you have a piece of maker tape. This is electrically conductive tape. You can make circuits with this. A piece of double-sided foam mounting tape, 4 googly eyes, an electric vibrating motor, and of course your solar panel, because it is a solar bug. You'll also need a pair of scissors and crayons or colored pencils or paint or markers or whatever you'd like to use to color and decorate your bug with. I chose to color my ladybug with markers, and I went with traditional colors of how a ladybug actually looks with red and black, but you can be as creative or inventive as you want with your designs. Then grab your scissors and carefully cut out your bug. It's time to build your circuit. Grab your solar panel and your vibrating motor. If there's a film over your solar panel, you can peel that off. Then peel off the back of your vibrating motor to expose the sticky side and stick it to your solar panel like this. Now it's time to create a circuit between your motor and solar panel. You see those little silver bumps on the back? Those are the positive and negative terminals where you're going to connect your wires to. To make your circuit, cut 2 small pieces of maker tape off and peel the back off of one of them to expose the sticky side. Then stick the exposed part of your red wire to the positive terminal of the solar panel like this. Then do the same exact thing for the blue wire, which is the negative wire, just like this. Congratulations, you just made a circuit. Then head outside on a sunny day to test your solar circuit and make sure it works. As you can see, it is vibrating in the sun, so we are good to go. It is time to assemble your bug. Grab your double-sided foam mounting tape, peel one side and attach it to the back of your solar panel like this. Then peel the other side of your foam mounting tape and stick it to your bug. The last step of assembling your bug is to attach your googly eyes. So grab your googly eyes and peel off the back to expose the sticky side and place them on the bottom of your bug. We aren't using them as eyes, we're using them sort of as feet. So when the bug vibrates, it moves all over the place instead of staying in one place. You can experiment with 3 or 4 googly eyes on the bottom and see how it affects the movement of your bug. I'm going to go with 4 in a rectangle pattern like this. Congratulations, you finished your solar bug. Now it's time to go outside on a sunny day and play with it. Your bug will work best on a flat surface like a tabletop, so put a table in the sun and put it down and watch it bug around. Cue that dance music. And that is how you make your solar bug. I hope you have fun building and playing with your solar bug and learning about solar power and circuits. And if you want more cool STEM projects or to learn cool magic tricks, check out store.engineeringwonder.show, and I'll see you in the next project.